Get your coffee ready and join me to watch how to replace the engine's L filter on a Ford Ranger. These steps are almost identical to all 4 and 6 cylinder models from 98 to 2012. Let's loosen the inlet clamp, release the 2 metal latches on the side of the box. Then we detach the coolant hose that goes around the front. Here's the clip for reference. Push toward the engine to free up the tabs inserted on the other side. Carefully lift the airbox up and out. And watch out for the wire harness. Be careful not to damage it or yank it. Remove all filter and vacuum any debris on the bottom of the housing. Install your new filter and make sure it sits properly. Insert the inlet first. Then the housing tabs. Make sure the box is all the way in. And lastly, secure the latches and the inlet clamp. And congratulations, you did it! Watch part 2 of this video where I cleaned the throttle body and inlet. And subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you on the next one.